We went keyless. You want to know how we did it? Roy, you want to tell us how you did it?
So right here we're taking out the screws. After removing the 4 screws for the inside plate, I took it off. Mind you, this is the first one I've done in a long time, so I don't remember exactly how to get these things out of here. So we took off a little bit more than we need to right here by removing these 2 screws and that plate. I didn't realize it was the 2 screws on the front of the door that held it in. But we'll figure it out. So right here is when we figure out we got to take these 2 screws out to get the rest of the handle to come out. And now we're finally getting the old handle out. Everything's ready for the new handle. Here we go. Putting in the new keyless. Fits pretty good. Goes right in. Looked like it wasn't really going to fit because it expands out over the opening of the glass a little bit more. But everything fit just fine. Now we're putting the screws back in that I fought with last time, getting the old handle out. The new plate. Now we're putting the inside plate on, lining up the little latch so everything will work. Putting the 4 screws back in it so that the handle will stay on the door. Just tightening them up enough that they're nice and snug. Check to make sure everything works. Everything seems to be working properly. I'm going to test it out soon. Now with everything working good, I programmed it so that we can have our keyless entry. So everything's working great. What do you think, Renee?
I think it's great. I love it.
Well, until next time,
Keep shining.
keep rolling.